down south down here. So this is part 2 of the 2021 Harley-Davidson lineup preview. So no further ado, let's go. Question number 2, on the Road Glide, is it the same as far as the ventilation on the Road Glide, the bottom ventilation? Are they open or can you close them? Here's your answer.
So to answer the question to Ghost Rider, on the 2021 Road Glide, he asked, does the vents close on the new model? And this answers your question. No, they do not close, yet and still. I guess they assume this is a better design, but of course, the top still does. And to the next question. So to answer the question to Javier Torres, the rims that you see on this bike is actually not for the Road Glide Special. This is for the Limited. And of course the wheels are the same on the Standard. So we don't have a special here yet, a Road Glide Special or Street Glide Special. So getting back to that, I'll show you guys that as soon as we get a chance, or as soon as we get one in. This is the color of the new Sportster. It's a tank decal with a denim look. And this is the Sportster 1200. So that is the new color scheme for the Sportster 1200. So to add to that collection of the new colors on the new bikes, this is the Sportster 48, and they came out with I'm not really sure what color that is, some form of green, I guess billiard green, I guess we can call this. I could be wrong. I guess we'll figure that out later. And the next color is a billiard red. That I know for sure, for the Sportster 48. And I'll find some other colors as soon as I can get to that. So they did come out with the, I guess it's some form of silver. Not really sure what the color is on that. Haven't learned that yet. But that's that color. And the River Rock. That's on the Street Glide now.
So in conclusion to this video series, as far as we know, unless some more bikes come out until the 19th of this month, I'll be sure to keep you guys informed as soon as I know something. So hey, I'm just the messenger. I know some people dislike the fact that Harley has the same thing going on and not much has changed, but I mean, no reason to dislike my video. Hey, show a thumbs up just for support, man. I'm just relaying the message. I'm not Harley. I don't make the decisions. This is all they're doing. I'm just giving you guys an inside look, and you know, that way you don't always have to just come. We prefer you come to the dealership if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, just wait till I guess the new models come out, you know, and go from there. But you can always make your own additions to your motorcycle, upgrade it as you see fit, and just go from there. I mean, Harley doesn't have to provide it for you. You can do it yourself. And I guess that's part of being a biker. So coming to you a little bit later on this evening, I'm gonna give you guys a view of what I like to wear as far as heated socks, and give you a link so you guys that might be interested, those of you who are in colder climates that might be interested in heated socks and even heated gloves. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, be sure to like and subscribe, and go get yourself some gear at DownSouthDon.com. Check me out on Instagram, and also Tonit, T-O-N-I-T, the app. We're Down South Riders on there, and if you guys want to come out, ride with us, you know, hey, feel free, man. It's open season come spring. We ride. Anyway, check you guys out soon.